Thank you for choosing the iSpring RO500 tankless filtration system. Please follow through with the video to see the proper filter replacement procedure. RO500 is a 3-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system. The first stage is a 3-in-1 composite filter. The second stage is the reverse osmosis membrane, and the third stage is a carbon block filter. Each filter has a different role in the water system and has a different replacement schedule. The system has an automatic filter replacement warning and alarming function. When the filter is near the end of its service life, the filter indicator light will turn purple, and the system will warn the user by beeping twice when the faucet is on. When the filter reaches the end of its service life, the filter indicator light will turn red, and the system will alarm the user by beeping continuously when the faucet is on. Remove the exhausted filter or filters by twisting it counterclockwise. Unwrap and remove all rubber plugs from the filter. Insert and twist the replacement filter clockwise to secure. To reset filter indicator light on systems with previous firmware, press and hold the corresponding indicator light for 5 seconds or until it beeps. The indicator light will flash. Press and hold the indicator light again for 5 seconds to reset. Please note, only the CF filter will automatically begin to pre-wash for 5 minutes when the corresponding light is reset. To reset filter indicator light on systems with new firmware, press and hold the corresponding indicator light for 5 seconds. Please note, only the CF filter will automatically begin to pre-wash for 5 minutes when the corresponding light is reset. To pre-wash RO membrane manually, press and hold CF, RO, and CB indicator lights simultaneously for 5 seconds, or until it beeps. The system will automatically start to pre-wash the RO membrane for 5 minutes. Once the filter is replaced and the indicator light is reset, turn on the smart faucet and let the water drain for a few minutes or until TDS level is back to normal reading. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.